Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to you guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So today's topic is going to be very sensitive and important as well as. So first thing is that we will discuss regarding the fraudulent shipping agents as well as the colleges. But I was planning to make a one video, but if I going to do that, it will be very long. So what I have decided that in this video I will talk about only the maritime colleges, the fraudulent maritime colleges, and in the second part maybe tomorrow I will upload that one. So in that part I will talk about the fraudulent shipping agents, how to identify them. So in this video I will restrict only to the MTI or Maritime Training Institute, the fraudulent maritime institute, how you will identify the fraudulent maritime institute. So this is the topic of this video. So now I will tell you 5 or 6 points. From that you can identify that you are going to get into a trap. So first thing, the number 1 point, check the approvals. The college must be AICTE approval and check the ISO markings, and obviously you have the internet, you have the resources. Go to the DigiShipping website, just find out which all colleges are approved by DigiShipping. You will find a brief list. Just go to the Google and write DigiShipping approved maritime institute or colleges. You will find the first link. Go to that, you will find a list around 150 or more colleges. Just select from those colleges, whether you are going to BSc Nautical, BTech Marine Engineering, DNS, GP rating, HND, whatever you are going to do. Even though you are going to the CCMC course, just check from that colleges and take admission on those mentioned colleges. So that is the first step you have to follow. Now I'll move to the second step. So now the second step, you will find many of the colleges are authorized by the UK Maritime Authority. Okay, so that is fine, that is no issues, but you have to identify and you have to check the records regarding the UK Maritime Authority, that it has been actually approved or not. So that is the second step you have to follow. Now we'll move to the third step. Check the shipping authority requirements. Suppose physical requirements, your placement records, and the cross check is important. Means not like that you are going to a college and decide that yeah, that is the college. No, at least visit 2, 3, 4 colleges. Yeah, I'm not talking about the reported colleges. That is, if that is new, try to avoid new college, try to avoid definitely. And if you are really bound to take admission, then at least cross check the placement records. That is very important, because when you are going to a college, the college authority tell you that scored that much marks, you will get the placement. Actually that is very fraud and very fake words. You cannot get job like that. You have to check the placement records, that percentage of the placement and all you have to check. Afterwards you make your decision. There is no hurry, right? So you can take your time, and obviously check the founder of the colleges and try to contact with them and tell them to give the number of the previous students, that you can take a experience or a feedback from them. Afterwards take the admission. And another thing, so these are the 4-5 steps I have told. Especially the main part is the DigiShipping approved. That is the main important, and obviously AICTE. Those approvals are there. ISO also important. If there is 2, 3 approvals are there and placement record is good, and if you are satisfied, then only take admission. And many of the colleges are taking 55% candidates. Seriously, frankly speaking, I don't know. I cannot tell name like that, but still I can tell you that many of the colleges are taking 55% PCM marks. Definitely you are going to face a trouble in the future during second maths and all, whatever it is. Let's forget about that. And another thing I would like to request you, that if you find any fraudulent college and all, please report to the authority, the proper authority, that they can take action against that. So actually it is all about your future. Okay, so try to secure your future in your hands. So verify, cross checks, that proof and all check, and don't believe anyone's word, because even not in my words, because you have to judge by yourself. If you feel satisfied, then only go for that colleges. So I will not elongate this video more. So thank you for watching. So that is the tips and tricks you have to keep in your mind throughout your life with whatever things you are going to do. Not even colleges, even for the shipping companies, shipping agents also. That video is going to come tomorrow. regarding the shipping agents, how to find the fraudulent shipping agents. So as if now, that's it. Thank you guys. If you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.